Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our Fosak TV. Here is the breaking news from India. Yes, 3 sounds. And then in Gujarat, Morbi bridge collapse survivor recounts horror. Gujarat cable bridge collapsed. It happened around 6:30 p.m. on yesterday. Some 15 to 20 mischievous children were shaking the ropes of the bridge, Mehra, a survivor, told. Mehra, a survivor of Gujarat Morbi bridge collapse, has claimed that some mischievous children were kicking the ropes of the bridge before it came down, killing more than 200 people and injuring over 100 on yesterday Sunday. It happened around 6:30 p.m. Some 15 to 20 mischievous children were shaking the ropes of the bridge. 3 times a noise came from it and then it collapsed, Mehra told news agency. When Mehra was asked how he survived, he recalled, "I held onto branches of nearby trees and eventually escaped. I had my friend Prakash with me and he also survived." Mehta reportedly sustained injuries in his leg and back. He is undergoing treatment at a government hospital in Morbi. All the injured survivors are admitted to GMERS General Hospital. Meanwhile, the Chief Minister's office said Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Morbi on Tuesday. Modi, who is in Kevadia, said rescue operations were underway and there would be no laxity in rescue and relief efforts. The Gujarat government has been carrying out relief and rescue operations since yesterday. The center is also extending all help to the state government, Modi said. The state government has constituted a committee to investigate this incident. I assured the people of the country that there will be no laxity in rescue and relief operation, Modi said. The police have registered an FIR on charges of culpable homicide against agencies given the task of maintenance and operation of the bridge, news agency PTI reported. Morbi Municipality's chief officer Sandeepnesh Jhala told reporters that the city's-based clocks and e-bike maker Morbi Group was given the contract for the renovation and operation of the bridge. But today, 9 culprits was arrested by Gujarat police, and hopefully Honorable Prime Minister will be visit tomorrow at the spot of Morbi. But from the Fosak TV, it is our earnest appeal to the all of Indian and her people. Please find the culprit. Behind the report, Fosak TV.